Everyone, it's really early in the morning. I didn't sleep much. Super excited. I got so much to tell you guys. I'm on my way home right now. I'm waiting for the Uber, but this experience was an amazing experience, and you guys need to know everything about it. And we are here at the airport. This is the brand new terminal in Newark. I'm super excited to be here. The surprise that I have for you guys is going to be incredible. I'm super pumped, super excited, and I can't wait for you guys to find out what's happening tomorrow. And I just got here to the hotel. So right now I'm gonna rest for a little bit. I'm gonna shower, get ready because we have a meeting. We're gonna go over what we're gonna be talking about tomorrow. Then we're gonna go to dinner. Then probably get a good night of sleep. And I'm super pumped to be able to share what's happening tomorrow with you guys. Good morning, everyone. We are here in Tampa, Florida with Gillette. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to share with you guys. Right now, I'm going to meet up with the rest of the barbers and the rest of the crew, and I'm gonna start showing you guys what we're gonna be doing. Super pumped, super excited. It's one of those things that you cannot believe what barbering can do for you and the places that a pair of clippers can take you. So let's go ahead and start with the day. And we are here. This is the big surprise, guys. We are here at the stadium in Tampa, Florida. Right now, the playground. We're about to go inside. Super excited. As you guys can see, this is the stadium. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the stadium, how it looks. To be honest with everyone, this was my first time coming to the stadium, and if this is my first time coming to the stadium, I know many of the Yankee fans have never probably been here, and if they have, they might not have never seen the rest of the stadium. So I wanted to bring you in this journey, not just of the shoot, but also so you guys can experience the history inside this place. You guys know the Yankees is one of the biggest brands in the world, one of the best teams in baseball. So it's important for you guys to appreciate how beautiful this place is and everything that it represents. Honestly, I was blown away, and I want to really say thank you to Gillette because of Gillette I'm able to experience this. And Gillette has been working very, very hard and been working with barbers with the Barber Council to be able to create these opportunities for all of us and be able to take grooming and barbering to the next level. So super thankful to be here and super thankful to be able to show you what most people don't get to see, especially on a shoot. That this shoot was very special. I never seen anything like it, so it was nice to be able to experience it, and I want you guys to be part of this journey with me, and so you guys can feel the excitement that I have. And we are super excited. We're gonna be doing a barbershop talk with the players. I'm gonna tell you guys which players in a little bit. We're super pumped to be here. So much history in this place. You guys know the Yankees is one of the biggest brands in the world, and super excited to be able to experience this with Gillette. Before I show you the final result that went live on my social media, I wanted to also show you everything that I saw, and the reason is because I was so excited, but I also have a lot of clients. They are hardcore Yankee fans, and they were super excited to be able to first they were excited to know that I was coming to kind of some of the Yankee players and work with them, but also they were super excited to see like what the things that some fans don't get to see, right? And I thought that this recording, a lot of the stuff that I saw was going to be very special. Nobody has seen this content, honestly. Nobody has seen it. Like, I recorded it and now I'm posting it, so you guys are going to be the first one to also see what we were doing behind the scenes and see the plays and see all the history. And I know for those fans, you guys are super excited. Also want to thank everybody that put this event together. Everybody worked so hard, from the crew, from like at the agency, everybody worked. So the players, us barbers, we worked so hard to be able to get to this point. And now I want you guys to be excited because it's going to blow you guys away.
So I know you guys are Yankees, but You ever thought of dancing on a baseball field?
I would love to.
Count me out.
When I shave with Gillette, I feel like I play better that day. I usually have a good game.
I actually try and take a haircut every fourth day to get ready for my start. And I use my Gillette to keep this mustache in check. So I love it and it feels great on me.
You have a lot of athlete clients. Do you think that shaving and grooming before games is really important?
I think it's probably one of the best things before a game. Getting a haircut, like look good, feel good, play good, all in the same tone.
David, this one's for you. What do you do if your athlete client can't come in? What do you tell them to do before games?
Definitely recommend them to get ready before every game because I know it's going to boost their confidence. Use their Gillette with exfoliating bar to get that clean and fresh shave and be ready for the game.
All right, Nestor, after all this grooming talk, you gonna go clean shaven or keep that thing?
No, I'm gonna keep my mustache. I feel like I started doing it 2 years ago and it's brought me luck and power, so I'm gonna make sure to keep that nice and tight for game days.
Any chance we see a mustache on you one day?
Maybe. You never know. The whole team does it, I'm in.
Gillette. Do you think I have that Yankee look?
You do look game day ready for the Yankees for sure.
This exfoliating bar is nice.
Gillette Labs.
Official men's grooming partner of the New York Yankees.